In this video, we will learn how to fix the USB interface not found VCDS driver error. First, go to the search bar and type Virus and Threat Protection. Then click on Home, click on Device Security, then click on Core Isolation Details and turn it off. Next, go back and click on Virus and Threat Protection, then click Manage Settings and turn everything off.
If you have an antivirus installed, make sure you disable it.
Then restart your computer. If it is not working, try the second method. Open Chrome, type VCDS, and download the latest version of VCDS. After downloading, install it and follow these steps. Now go to the VCDS installed folder, run the program as administrator, click Next, then click Install, and finally click Finish. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.